Hey everybody, it's me, Lady T, coming to you with a way different type of craft that I am so not used to doing. But we got one of these Dollar Tree houses, and I decided to paint it a lighter color because the window cling that I'm going to be using didn't look right with that color. So I painted it with some paint from Waverley, Waverley, and then I went around it with some of the ink, Waverley. Yeah, I did that. Now I'm taking one of those boards from Dollar Tree. It has 4 pieces of wood stuck together like planks, and I am doing what I'm doing. I'm dry brushing. I'm calling myself dry brushing, but as you can see from the top plank, I went overboard with the dry brushing, right? I was trying it because y'all know that's not my thing at all. This is just something that I'm learning to do, and I like it a little bit. So here I am, turn the board the opposite way so I can also get some of that dry brushing up there. And I'm adding 2 towering tumbling game pieces so I can set my house on there so it won't be flat to that other board. So I was doing contrasting colors. I think I did a pretty good job with that. Now here I'm playing with the window cling, seeing how I want it to look and seeing which pieces I really want to use. So this says Hello Autumn. I definitely want to use that. And I want to use the 3 pumpkins on the from the window cling. Yeah. I see what all the hype is about the window cling from Dollar Tree. So you know I had to get on the little bandwagon. Now here I am trying to Mod Podge this window cling to the house. I wanted to put some little windows on there and do all of that, but I'm not an artist. I can't do that. So we just went with this. Okay. Hello Autumn. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the pumpkins since I have them. I think I have them like I want them. Yeah. 3 pumpkins in front of the house. And again, I'm Mod Podging them onto the wood. So the house doesn't really look like I painted it from this angle, but I did. So there's the 2 contrasting colors. And here I'm calling myself making a bow. Y'all, listen. I'm just learning how to do this, so I don't even know why I attempted that. But for your comedy moments, I just wanted to show you that. That's what I did. And I never even used the bow. Okay. I don't even know what's wrong with me, but I tried. So now I got these flower picks from Dollar Tree, and the colors are so amazingly beautiful. And what I had made in my mind was a tree. I said I need a tree in front of this house because there's so much space over there, you know. Didn't kind of want to leave it blank. So got me some aluminum foil and crumpled it up. After I put the 3 picks together with a zip tie, I got the aluminum foil, crumpled it up to try to make it look like a tree, y'all. It's out of frame a little bit, but y'all get the idea. I'm like, I'm going to make a tree. It's going to be a tree. That's what I see it. It's fall, it's autumn, or whatever it is. But I wanted to make a tree, y'all. So I did. This is my first time trying this. And I don't know, it's just sitting at my table, and I was like, let's make a tree. Let's make it look like tree bark. And that's about as good as I can get. I realized after the fact that I should have took some aluminum foil and made some tree roots. But look, I wasn't pressing my luck. I was just doing what I do. Or what I was just learning to do. Listen, so that was a little dark. That was a little bit dark for me. So I went back and did it with a lighter color brown. Just to make it so it won't be so dark brown. Yeah, anyway. So I painted that aluminum foil, and then I used my hot dryer to make it dry a little faster. And then I just hot glued it to the board. Nothing fancy, no tricks, just hot glue. And believe it or not, it really stuck well. So I'm just trying to secure it a little bit better on the side. And there you have it. I thought I was done. I was like, no, wait, something's missing. So I took another piece of foil, also from the Dollar Tree, you know, the kind that you pull up instead of having to try to cut it with the box. So I got those pull-up sheets and I balled it up and try to make a tree trunk. Listen, don't judge me, okay? I'm just learning how to do this. So I thought it was cute for my first try. And what do you think? Let me know. So here is my little take on, I don't know if this is Farmhouse or I don't know what this is exactly, but it's something I've never done before. I'm trying something different, y'all. I'm trying something different. So tell me what you think in the comments, for real. Tell me your comments. And please share this video for me. And please give me a good thumbs up. Well, there's no bad thumbs up, so just give me a thumbs up, okay? I appreciate each one of you, and thank you so much. Look at my little thing. I'm so proud of it. Look at the tree. I actually made a tree. Are we serious right here? Yes, I made a tree on the wood, and there it is on my wall. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.